This video is a quick overview of how to assign leads in DSHero as a manager. So the screen that I'm on currently is what will appear if you go to the leads page and you click on leads map. And this view is going to be very similar if you're on a desktop or on a mobile tablet in landscape mode. Now, when you select the leads, you're going to want to, if you have quite a few leads, narrow down your scope a bit. So in this case, we're going to filter down by zip code. And then once we have our zip code selected, we can scroll in one of three ways. We could either pinch zoom on the map using our fingers if we're on a mobile device. We could use the arrows at the bottom right of the screen to zoom in or zoom out. Or we could double tap on the large icons that show how many leads are in the cluster. I'll click on this one that has 217 and it'll take me right there. Now, as you can see on the map, there's different color coding. On a mobile device by default, you're going to see the disposition color coding that you've set up for your office or your team. But on a desktop, you're going to see the assignment, which you can select by clicking on the leads button. The assignment color coding, which is going to show you color codes by types as well as by whether the lead is assigned or not. Now you can see here, any lead that is an X is assigned, and you can click on the data and you can see who it's assigned to and when it was assigned, sales rep 3. In this case, we want to assign leads to a new user. So we're going to scroll into an area that has not been assigned as indicated by these dots. If I want to open up my screen, I click on the show search filters to give myself more room. And then I click on the top button to select a polygon. Now, when I'm selecting the polygon, I'm not dragging and dropping. I'm actually individually clicking on the screen, and then I'm going to close it at the end until it becomes shaded. And then I'm going to click on the bottom right assignment button and select my user. Now, when I select a user, I could either leave the existing dispositions if these leads have been worked previously. You can reassign them to a new user and they'll still see the notes from the old user, or you can clear those dispositions and that will clear the notes, which is I'm going to do in this case. And it'll tell you how many leads are assigned to that user. And now they'll show up as X's to indicate they're assigned leads. And you can click and see what sales rep you assigned them to. And it's that easy.